Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at displaying special menu item icons on a mobile menu. By the end of this video, you'll understand how you can add certain menu item icons to a menu and have them display as top-level icons on a mobile menu. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's jump in. I've imported the Avada Restaurant Prebuilt here, and as you can see in the header layout section, the menu is displaying a WooCommerce cart icon, a search icon, and an icon that triggers an off-canvas. If we just look at the menu itself, we can see that the three items are at the bottom of the menu, and they have been added via the Avada Special Menu Items, and via the Avada menu options are just displaying as an icon. This is a very convenient method of adding these links to a menu. But when this menu reduces to a mobile menu, these icons fold down into the menu with all the other items. There are of course several other ways to display icons in your mobile header. You could, for example, just add an icon element and link that with dynamic data, or you could make a separate menu with these special menu item icons and display that only on mobile. But a recent change with the menu element means there is now a much simpler way to choose to continue to display some of the special menu item icons at the parent level when the menu breaks down to a mobile menu. This applies to the search item, the off-canvas toggle item, and the WooCommerce cart item. Let's look at how. With Avada 7.15.5 and up, in the menu element, on the mobile tab, and down towards the bottom, there are three new options called Use Search as Icon on Mobile, Use Cart as Icon on Mobile, and Use Off-Canvas as Icon on Mobile. As the description for the first one explains, you turn this on to render a special menu item as a standalone icon next to the mobile menu trigger, instead of folding it into the mobile menu, with the icon taken from the menu item's icon select option. There is also a mobile menu trigger position option for deciding whether the mobile menu trigger is before or after the other icons. I'll change this to after. So with these three icon options enabled, if I now use the responsive icon to view the small screen view, we can see that the three special menu item icons are now displayed next to the mobile menu icon, rather than being folded into the drop-down menu. How's that? Simple and convenient. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thanks for choosing Avada.